Red Feather from Greppax. In this Kdenlive video, we will be showing you what to do if your audio becomes slightly out of sync during editing. First, we must make sure that our project monitor is set up to do this. So, below the Kdenlive project monitor, click the box labeled Options. Scroll down to Audio Levels and place a check mark in the box. But notice, I cannot see the Kdenlive audio level. If this happens to you, in order to fix this, go to the edge of the project monitor. Once a double arrow appears on the edge, grab hold and drag the monitor to a size allowing you to see the audio level. So now this is done, it will be easier to show you what I mean. Notice the audio level. As I start out, everything is in sync. But as I go further along on the Kdenlive timeline, the audio loses its sync. In order to solve this on the Kdenlive timeline, watch the audio level below the project monitor. And on the timeline, place your line marker in an area before the audio begins on the timeline. While looking at the audio level, if it is clear with no green, that is exactly what you want. So, using the razor tool on the timeline, make a cut. Then, on your keyboard, hit S to return to the selection tool. Then, the audio section to the left, find the double arrows, shrinking the blank audio space so as to remove it to the next portion of the visual audio on the timeline. I hope you have enjoyed this Kdenlive tutorial and found it helpful in some fashion. And if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber? And ring that bell in order to be notified your way of newly released videos. I can't express this enough, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, after all, it is free. The intro and extra of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1. Thank you in advance. I am out.